So I'm just having a wander around this Royal Navy Sea Harrier, and one thing that I find quite interesting about this one is if you pan around to the nose from the front, Reese, you'll notice it's got a little windscreen wiper. Now, I'm presuming, because it's a Royal Navy aircraft, it's operating off of aircraft carriers, so presumably there'll be a lot of sea spray that's going around everywhere, so that's probably why they needed the windscreen wiper.
Is that where it got its name Seahawk?
A Sea Harrier?
Yeah.
It's a Sea Harrier because it was operated out at sea. But if you look at the RAF's Harriers, though, they don't have that windscreen wiper at the front. So it's a big thing that kind of differentiates the Sea Harrier from the regular Harriers. That, and also if you look at this big chunky nose that housed a big radar, presumably to find your way back home, and also you've got the big fuel probe that pokes out the side. And if you've got any doubts if it's a Royal Air Force or Royal Navy Sea Harrier, just have a look at the tail.